Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ennui from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the top left and we're going to draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves down, leaving a small gap in between. And then a curve on the right side to close off the shape of the eyes. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a curve along the left side. And then another small curve inside. And color these in black. And now inside at the top here, let's draw a small circle. Now starting from the inner corners of the eyes, let's draw a curve out to the right like this. And then from the top eye, let's draw 2 curves on the left side. And then for the bottom eye, just one at the top. Now on the left, we're going to draw the bangs. Let's start slightly higher and let's draw a curve on top. Then let's draw a zigzag line going downwards. Now from the top, let's draw a curve out and down. Then from the end, we're going to curve it in and bring it up at the end. And then a few more pieces of hair to close it off. And that's it for the bangs. Now let's move back over and let's draw the nose. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw an angle going up. Then let's bring it back down and then curve it in at the bottom. Now that we have the nose, let's continue drawing the rest of the face. Let's start on top of the eyes and let's draw a curve over to the nose. And then continue it on the other side. Now for the other side of the head, let's hop down under the eyes and let's draw an S-shaped curve over and bring it down. Now from the top line, we're going to draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve down and up like this. Then for the end, a small curve out to the right. And then curve it down. Now inside the mouth, let's draw another curve. And then a curve at the bottom for the tongue. Then let's hop back down to the bottom of the neck and close it off with a curve across. Lastly, to finish off the head, let's draw the rest of the hair. Underneath on the left side, let's draw a wavy line down and curve it in. Then let's add another curve next to it. And then one more on the right. Now let's hop back up under the head and let's draw a wavy line down. And then one more bump to close off the hair. And that's it for the head. Now let's move back over and finish drawing the body. On both sides of the neck, let's draw a curve down. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's add the arm. Let's start with an angled line down. Then from the end, we're going to curve it out slightly and back in. And the same thing next to it on the right side. And then close off the bottom. Now for the end of the sleeve, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across. Now at the end here, let's add the hand. Underneath on the left, let's draw a line down and then a curve out and back in for the first finger. Now tap underneath and let's draw another curve, then one more, and then for the last one, let's bring it all the way back up to the sleeve. And that's it for the arm and hand. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the shirt. Let's start underneath the neck and let's draw a curve down and then bring it in at the bottom. And then curve it back over to the arm. Now for the bottom of the shirt, let's draw a small angle out and curve it back in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's draw the legs underneath. Let's start underneath the sweater in the center and let's draw an angle down to the right. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the left. And then close off the end of the pant leg. Now for the other leg, let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a longer angle out and then curve it back in. And then the same bent line next to it on the left. And then close it off at the end. Now at the end of each leg, let's draw an angle out and then close it off at the ends. Now underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start with the left side and let's draw an angle out and curve it down. Now top to the right and let's draw an angled line down. Then from the end, we're going to bring it over to the left and back up. And then close off the foot with one more angled line. Lastly, for this foot, let's draw a curve at the heel and another curve at the end. Now top over and let's draw the right foot. Underneath, let's draw an angled line down on the left. Then for the right side, let's bring it out and curve it down. And then close off the bottom with a line across. And again, let's add a curve at the heel and one near the toe. And that's it for Ennui. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!